Alright, hello and good evening. My name is Ethan Walker, and today we are going to be doing lab number 6. This is a even-odd checker that we are building for today, and it's going to throw, this file is going to throw over to the fxml file using the controller to build this checker. It's going to this checker is going to check for even odd numbers, and if it's not a whole number, then it's going to show up an error message or an exception. So the system does not fail or give us a huge error. So we're going to now we're now just importing all the things that I need for this. Now we're extending the application, and now we're going to override. And for this override, stage is going to throw an exception over to an fxml loader. Next loader equals new XML loader. And for this one, I'm going to get resource XML. Alright. And now we're going to do scene load.loader, and over here we're going to just do 350, 220, just the values for the scene, and over down a second, we're going to do stage dot set title, and this is going to be called even or odd checker. Alright. Let's set the scene, show. This is it for this one, public static, and we're going to launch. Alright, so there we have it for the, this is for the main function. And then now we're going to do the controller for here. For the controller, we're going to do a package again. Alright. And for here, we're going to import again the fxml, and only going to import the scene. Scene, control, and then this one. Scene, control, and this will be labeled. Alright, so we're going to have now public class controller. We're doing fxml, we're going to have private. I cannot type today. Private text field. It's going to be number. It could be a number field. Alright, and then fxml. Do private label. And this one is going to be called result label. And then lastly, fxml, private void, and we're going to do check number. And And here we're going to have try. So we're going to have the system try to enter number, and if, alright, so if so number zero is even, set text to number plus so say is even number. Alright, and then after this we're going to have an else statement. Alright. Then else set text said number is not an even number. Alright. And I would end that. And for here, so after this one, we're going to have a catch statement. Catch go to number, format exception, set text. This is going to say instead of this, we're going to have it say a valid number. All right. Okay. All right, sweet. All right, now you can move on to the fxml file. And for this one, we are going to import some things for here. So we're going to import on the Java FX dot geometry dot insets. And the next one, import dot scene label import I cannot touch it. All right. effects dot scene dot layout dot VBox. Alright, so now we're going to make this VBox here. Alright, and then next effects equals alright, and then now we're going to do FX controller. Alright, there we go. Alright, this is going to pull from the controller side. And alignment is going to be center. So I pull it up and be center, and spacing we'll put at 15. Alright. Now for the padding. Alright, that's fine. I don't know what's alright, that's fine. There we go. Top 20. Right. 20. All right. Yeah. All right. That is it for padding. All right. For the label. Text, turn integer, and now for the text field, ID is going to be number field, alt text, say with 100. Button text number on action is going to say Alright, and then the last thing is the label. FXID, result label, alright, there we go. And this alright, that's one. Alright, so this is the program that we have here, and now we can run it. So now we can run it again. Alright, here we are. So let's enter an integer. It's over here. So we try 5. Check the number. So 5 is an odd number. Put something like this. It asks us to please enter a valid integer. So I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day.